Yo, what is going on, y'all? V-Rob here. Today, as you guys can see by the title of this video, we are going to be making my famous Dunkaroo dip, or as some of my friends call it on accident, the kangaroo dip. If you guys do not know, Dunkaroos is one of my favorite snacks, candies, whatever, cookies of all time. I have tried all the collaborations they have done. I'm pretty sure they actually have like a frosting coming out soon or next month that goes with like the Funfetti cake mix or something like that. That's gonna be in stores in like Walmart and Kroger, this and that. But I love the original Dunkaroos. I love the Dunkaroo cereal. I love the Go-Gurt Dunkaroos that just came out. I think all of it is great. I had the biggest smile on my face when they announced last year that they were bringing them back. And since then, y'all, I've had friends plug me, I've had to order them, I've got them at these really interesting grocery stores and whatnot around Cincy. But today, y'all, we're gonna be making my famous Dunkaroo dip. And obviously you do this with like animal crackers, you can do it also with like vanilla wafers or stuff like that. But personally, I use animal crackers. But first, before we start cooking and before we start cooking this up, we have to go to the store. So without further ado, let's head to Kroger and let's go get the ingredients.
Hit the club with at least 10, you in a 500, that's a cheap ends. I promise, Playboy, we get the tape out for the weekend, it's over.
Alright, y'all, what is going on, y'all? V-Rob here. My apologies, this had to be a 2-day video. I got a little busy last night, went to my brother's basketball game, came home, chilled, did a few things, did some editing, but we're back. It's 9 o'clock currently on a Saturday morning. You guys can obviously see it. I got my orange chakra tea right now in my Baby Yoda cup. That's how I do it every single morning. But we're here. We got all the ingredients. We got the Cool Whip. We got the snack pack, the vanilla pudding, and the Funfetti. Also, what you guys are going to need is a mixing bowl and a cup to measure, and then one of these spatulas to make. So what we're going to do first, y'all, is we're going to open up the Funfetti. And give me a second. All right, once you guys have opened the Funfetti, you guys are then gonna open up your mixing bowl and pour it in, the entire thing. This entire, I wanna call it flour, but whatever, yo. All this mix, pour it into the mixing bowl, all of it, y'all. This is gonna be for like a party, for a get together. You guys are gonna definitely want a lot. And this will make a perfect amount, so. Then you're just gonna put this over here, and then you're gonna take your snap packs. If you get a 4 count, use all 4. If you get a 2 count, get 2 of them, because you guys are gonna need 4 cups. Not 4 measuring cups, but 4 separate packages of these. So let me open these up, y'all, and let's put them in the mixing bowl. You know, y'all, if this was a TikTok, this would be my moment to say, like for part 2. I'm just playing. But, kind of funny about these snack packs, y'all. I'm not really someone who ever eats pudding. Like, I never have it in my fridge or just chilling in my cabinets or whatever. But every time I get this for this recipe, y'all, I always think to myself how good it tastes, which I don't know why I don't get it more. Maybe because I don't know. But every single time I get this, y'all, I'm just like, damn, this shit tastes absolutely amazing. All right, y'all, so we got all of the pudding and the Funfetti mix all in the bowl. Now it's time to add the final ingredient, the Cool Whip. Alright, now that we have the Funfetti, the pudding, and the Cool Whip all mixed together now, we are going to want to stir these all together till we get a very, very beautiful blend. You guys will see this, and I'll obviously put a time lapse on this, but you guys will know when it's ready, yo. You guys should see no Funfetti mix, like all in this floury type material. It should be all mixed into like a nice creamy pudding type look. So let's start this beautiful transformation. Alright, yo, so as you guys can see, this is what it should look like once it's done. As I said, kind of like an off-white pudding type material. I mean, when you mix these 3 ingredients together, y'all, it will look like what brownie batter looks like in a sense almost before it gets cooked. So it should look exactly like that, y'all. But yeah, nice thick material. There should not be like any of the Funfetti mix anywhere. Make sure it's all blended together, so to make sure to get all sides do a couple rounds. And yeah, it took me about 3 minutes to mix all this together. Now, we're gonna put this in the Cool Whip mix. All right, y'all, so as I was saying, I cleared out the Cool Whip container with all the remaining Cool Whip. Just put it, in the trash can. If you want to keep it, put it in a plastic bag, or you can put it down the sink. Make sure to put hot water over it so it melts. But yeah, so you don't have to have it be perfect, obviously, y'all, but at least a good amount, because this is gonna take a majority of the space. So let's now put all of the Dunkaroo mix that we have created into the Cool Whip, so then we can later package it, put it in the refrigerator, and then serve it to our guest later today. All right, y'all, here is our glorious Dunkaroo dip in the Cool Whip container. You guys can see it looks absolutely beautiful, y'all. And yeah, it's time to package it and put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So make sure this is sealed. And yeah, let's put it in the fridge for 2 hours, and after 2 hours, sit out for about 10 to 15 minutes, and it shall be ready to be served with the animal cookies.
The next day.
All right, y'all, day 2. We're here for a taste test for Dunkaroo dip. We got Xavier's finest over here. Cal, Jay, Zed/Andrew. We got Max rocking the camera. Max, you want to turn it around? All right, so who wants to start? You want to be the first? All right. So yeah, I'd take 2 animal crackers. 2.
That's pretty good. I give it a 10.
W. Zed, you want to take the honors? Dunkaroo homemade dip.
He's the world's biggest LeBron fan.
Tastes pretty good. Tastes like Jordan sauce.
This is the opinion that matters the most. I'm taking 1 because one bite, everyone knows the rules. I'll give it a 9.7 out of 10.
Max, your turn.
Alright, let's go. I've already had this before one time, so. Since I've had it before, I'd probably give it like an 8.7.
Really?
Yeah.
Better first time or second?
Probably first time, because like first reaction, it was like really good.
All right, there we go. We got an extra here. We got Will after Goa. How we feeling today?
Oh, my reflection was way too short. I'm definitely getting like a 3 out of 10 on it, but we're here and we're live, so it is what it is.
All right, let's try the kangaroo or Dunkaroo mix.
This has got me thinking. Nothing against you, B-Rob. You're a good guy. You're a stand-up dude, but this is 2018 Game 4 Curry right now, man. 37. I think he had like 9 assists. This is just Game 3. Draymond Green near triple-double. That's spice. That's easy. We're going out of 10. Whole numbers?
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
It could be half.
B-Rob, that's a 9.
Say less.
That's a 9, man.
Say less. And that is going to do it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys take a look at the ingredients and the instructions on how to make this and make it for yourselves. I highly recommend it. And as you guys can see by the response that we got for the Dunkaroo dip, others really liked it as well. Shout out to everyone that was in the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you guys are new. If you guys got any questions, comment them down below. It's all love 2021. Keep striving for greatness. Keep chasing your dreams. And it's all love. V-Rob is out this thing. Peace.